Welcome to English Talks Pro, your ultimate hub for learning English the fun and easy way. Ready to level up your English? Let's get talking with English Talks Pro. Do you want to improve your English speaking skills, learn new vocabulary, and correct your pronunciation? Here's something for you.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, sweetheart. How's school?
It's good. Busy as usual.
That's great to hear.
Dad, can I ask something?
Of course, go ahead.
Can I have some money?
What's it for?
I need it for shopping.
Shopping? What kind of shopping?
Just small things for me.
Like what? Be specific.
Maybe snacks or stationery.
Do you really need it?
Yes, Dad, not much though.
How much are you thinking?
Maybe 500 rupees.
500? That's too much.
I promise I'll use it wisely.
You always say that, dear.
I'll also help Mom more.
Remember to spend it wisely.
I will, Dad. Promise again.
And no unnecessary junk, okay?
Okay, no junk this time.
Good, be responsible always.
I will, Dad. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Love you, sweetheart.
Love you too, Dad.
If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected.